guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account. So right now in any web browser under Google, just type in Gmail. Once you guys search up for Gmail, you guys will see the very first option will say Gmail right here. So once you click there, you guys will see this, sign in. So obviously you guys want to create an account, and that's down here below. You guys will see create account. So let's just click on create account for now. And right here, you guys can fill in your first name, last name, username will be actually your Gmail account. Okay, so that's gonna be your Gmail, and just make sure you guys remember that plus your password. So let's say your name is Tech and Design, just like this YouTube channel. We're gonna type in Tech and Design channel. Actually, you know what? Let's just type in video channel, or anything you guys want. The shorter, usually the better. Now for your password, it does need to contain 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So in this case, we're gonna use this password right here. So I just created one. It's called Tech and Design 2018, and then question marks. I'm using a symbol, I'm using numbers, I'm using caps and lower cases, and that's the best that you guys could do for a password. So I'm just gonna paste it right here. Paste it right here. Whatever password you guys create, I suggest just emailing yourself, or if you have another email, or just text yourself that email, that password, or do something with the password, but store it so you guys don't forget it. So right here's my password. So if I want to see my password, again, I can just click right here on the side where the eyeball is, so I can hide it or I can show it. I always suggest showing it so you guys remember that password. So let's just go next. And your browser could say save password or not. It's really up to you guys. I'm gonna put not now. And then right here, now this depends where you guys are at. So if you guys are in Canada, it's gonna show you that. If you guys are in the US, you guys can type in US, and it's gonna take you down to United States, for example. You guys can type in your phone number right here. Okay, now again, you guys can just click right here. It depends what countries you guys are from, and just fill in your phone number so you guys can go on and create this secure Gmail account. Once you guys do that, you will get a verification code. So just copy and paste that right here. Okay, that's gonna be on your phone. Type it up and then just press verify. Now that you guys have verified, you guys can see up here, you guys can use your phone number, or you guys can just delete it for now if you don't want it, okay? Recover email, same thing, it's optional. I highly suggest it, okay? I usually suggest emails more than putting your phone number as a recovery thing, because it's just faster for me in my case. So just type in a recovery email if you guys have another email. If you don't, then you don't have to, it's optional once again. And this right here, it's usually good to put real information so you guys actually remember it, just in case you guys have to recover this thing, okay? If you guys put fake information, then you won't remember it. So I'm just gonna put in some info right here. This, you guys can put whatever you guys want. So rather not say, for example, and then just go next. Okay, so obviously you guys have to click down here. It's gonna be an arrow, so just keep going down. So you guys see agree. Click on agree. We're just gonna wait for this to load up, and we should be ready with our Gmail account. With our Gmail account, we can do a lot of things actually. This opens us up to have a YouTube account, for example. So even if you guys don't create YouTube videos, now you guys can subscribe and get stuff from YouTube channels. You guys can put likes, you guys can put comments. You guys are free to do a lot of stuff. So that's why Gmail accounts are really good to have. So that way you guys can be a little bit more involved with YouTube and other aspects of Gmail, okay? Same thing goes with Google Photos and everything. You guys will need a Gmail account for that. So let's just click next. Okay. And that's it. You guys can get ready with your Gmail account. Right now, up here, so let me just give you a quick tour. Right here, compose, that's to make an email. So just click right there. You guys can send out an email to anybody. You guys can see your sent emails from here and all that jazz. If you guys would like to look up your settings and stuff like that, it's going to be always on the right hand corner. So right here, you guys can see settings. If you click right here, you guys can also look at your account itself. All right. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you guys can create this thing. You do have 15 gigs right here free for you guys to use to store stuff. And if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.